What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Tony, and today we're going to install something on the truck that I think is probably the best mod or install that you can actually put in the back of your guys' rig, especially if you guys are running coolers or even a refrigerator like myself. And this is going to be leading up into probably in the next couple weeks. I'm just waiting for it to come in, and you guys are probably going to see what is coming in after installing this, but I want to get this installed before it shows up. So this is my personal opinion, one of the best things you guys can actually install in your guys' rig.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so.
I've got to say that I've had a lot of sliders or fridge sliders in my day, I guess, from my Gladiator to this. This is probably one of the nicest packagings that I've ever actually had. The box was in good shape. I mean, yeah, it was still beat up, but even just having this around it instead of just the box in here protects this. I mean, yeah, it's gonna be on the trails being beaten up from the refrigerator, but the shipping usually always comes in damaging, especially from Amazon if you guys order anything from Amazon. But Iceco package is really nice with this nice really thick, like 1.5 inch foam or whatever, but we don't need that anymore. It does come with your straps, and then it comes with your slider. I mean, it slides really nice. I'm just surprised it doesn't come with any hardware. So one thing that it does not come with, which I'm actually kind of surprised, because Rough Country and I know a few of the other brands that I've actually had came with mounting hardware for your guys' slider for the fridge. Unfortunately, the Iceco does not come with even like the little pucks or just enough to raise it up, which I already see I'm going to have to do for my tailgate, just enough to where the whole thing could slide out and actually kind of rest against the tailgate itself. But unfortunately, it does not come with any hardware with this. It does come with 4 straps to hold on your refrigerator or cooler or whatever size. If you guys are looking at these, I will say that just sliding this, of course it's kind of being held for hardware, unless it's for some reason underneath here, which it is not. Just in case maybe they kind of stuck it underneath here, but it's not. Still not. It's not the end of the world. I just have to run to like AutoZone or Ace Hardware or whatever local stores around by you. So I do like the fact that here that they do put like every 2 inches or so a hole where you can basically tie down or do some drilling. Fortunately, football's almost on, so we are going to finish this up tomorrow. So it is what it is. So I did go to Ace Hardware and I picked up some of these like little spacers, and then about a few just these self-tapping screws, and we're gonna put about 3 on each side, so that should be enough to get it where it's nice and level. And there are roughly around about a 1/2 inch, just tall enough where it's taller than the little rivets or the little grooves inside the bed. So I think these will actually be perfect. One thing now that I'm actually kind of thinking about it, I wish that for like these little spacers I put a little like rubber up top, so then it's just, if for some reason if it's moving around while we're on the trail or something like that, it's not gonna just rub metal on metal, but it's alright. Oh yeah. like perfect. I will say one thing, it definitely closes super nice when you guys kind of close it. I mean, nice and soft. But let's fit. I will say that these right here, the slides are actually really nice. I probably can actually go up a little bit more, but it's actually nice that it's actually holding up on my tailgate, just so it's not putting all the pressure down on the hinge or the slides themselves. So I actually like it the way it is. Really worth the $260. That is kind of pushing for a drawer slide when you can go on Amazon and you can actually get certain other brands that are a little bit cheaper, but every one that I've always came in, they were a little bit more they would come in damaged, or the metal would be a little bit flimsy, but this will work pretty well. You know, I mean, it's locked in nice, which is nice. Now I can actually tie this down, but we are replacing this refrigerator, which it does suck that you have to go to the store and buy your own spacers and basically your own screws or bolts or however you want to do it. I just did the screws. It does suck, but at the end of the day, it's not the end of the world. I know I definitely know that everybody's setup is going to be a little bit differently, because you're going to have to go buy yourself some basically a screw and a spacer to help raise it up a little bit. So for my application, I had to do it. Yours may be completely different, but that's just what I had to do. And to me, it seems like it'll hold up. A lot of good reviews on it. So first, I have had a couple that came from Amazon that were a little bit cheaper, around the 150, 200 mark. All three of them came in damaged, so I ended up shipping them back, which was actually a couple of them were actually supposed to be put on this truck, but unfortunately never made it, just due to the damage. And I just didn't like having my refrigerator just kind of bouncing back and forth. So it does help save your refrigerator and not getting damaged. So that was the main thing why I like the slide. And plus, I know this video wasn't very much because we're just talking about a drawer slider, but I didn't really see too much on YouTube or anything, kind of just showing you guys this drawer slider. There is like, was it Summit, or I think there's one that's on Amazon called Summit. There's Rough Country makes one. There's a whole bunch of them out there, but I didn't really see too much about the Iceco. So I just wanted to just kind of let you guys see the Iceco product itself. They're not paying me to say this. I am actually really happy with it. Is it worth the price? Yes and no. It is good quality. It looks like it's gonna hold up. It locks in place really nice, and it does its job. Like I said, it's just a fridge drawer slider, so I'm happy with it. On the next video, we're gonna be talking about all the changes I'm gonna be doing to this truck, and it's going to be more in the bed than it is going to be the front, but that's going to be on the next video. So please hit that like and subscribe. We have finally hit 1,000 subscribers, and now the next goal is 2,000, and we're going to be doing a special giveaway on that coming up, and I'm going to explain all that in the next video. So stay tuned for the next one. Peace out.